Have you ever wanted to try a premium VPN, but hesitated to hand over your credit card, committing your hard-earned money to a long-term plan without knowing if it actually unblocks your favorite streaming shows, handles your daily web browsing, or slows down your gaming is incredibly frustrating? Welcome back to CyberInsider. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can get a risk-free trial of NordVPN, which consistently ranks as one of the best VPNs on the market. We'll uncover how to unlock the trial, what premium features you get to test, how it compares to the competition, and the exact steps to get your money back with zero hassle. NordVPN eliminates the uncertainty of buying a VPN by offering two distinct ways to test their service. First, there's a 7-day free trial, exclusively available for Android users. Second, there's a universally available 30-day money-back guarantee. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, an iPhone, or a Linux machine, the 30-day guarantee acts as your ultimate trial period. Both options give you complete, unrestricted access to every single feature NordVPN has to offer, allowing you to thoroughly test the service before making a permanent commitment. Unlocking the 30-day guarantee is a fast and simple process with no hidden clauses. You'll want to visit the NordVPN website directly and choose a subscription plan. Since you're testing the waters, the month-to-month plan at $13.39 is a great starting point, though their 2-year plan drops the price significantly, down to $3.09 per month, which you can often lock in through their coupon page. After selecting a plan, create your account and pick a payment method. They accept credit cards, PayPal, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even cryptocurrencies. Once you pay and set your password, simply download the app and log in. A crucial tip here is to always buy directly from the NordVPN website. If you purchase through the Apple App Store, Amazon, or Best Buy, you have to deal with their specific third-party refund policies, which can complicate the process. If you're an Android user, you get a special streamlined option. You can simply download the NordVPN app straight from the Google Play Store, launch it, and tap Sign Up. After creating your VPN ID, the app will ask you to link your Google Play account. Select the 1-month plan, and your 7-day free trial begins immediately. You get a full week to check your download speeds, access geo-restricted content, and secure your phone without any upfront cost. You just have to remember to cancel within that 7-day window to avoid being charged. Keep in mind that NordVPN strictly limits this free trial to 1 ID per user, and it cannot be combined with other promotional offers. NordVPN does not throttle your speeds or lock premium tools behind a paywall during your trial. You get the exact same experience as a fully paying subscriber. This means you can connect to thousands of servers spread across the globe. You can utilize their proprietary NordLynx protocol, which easily delivers download speeds over 750 megabits per second in desktop tests, making it perfect for 4K streaming, heavy torrenting, and lag-free gaming. You also get full access to advanced security tools like threat protection to block malware and annoying ads, MeshNet for secure device linking, dark web monitoring, and military-grade AES-256 encryption. Now you might be wondering why you should jump through the hoops of a trial when completely free VPNs exist. The reality is that free VPNs come with severe security and performance issues. They typically offer a very limited number of servers, which leads to massive traffic congestion and agonizingly slow speeds. Because they charge a subscription fee, they have to make money somehow, which often means logging your private data and selling it to advertisers, or worse, injecting malware into your device. NordVPN operates under a strict, independently audited no-logs policy, meaning your browsing history remains completely invisible and secure. When looking at the wider market, NordVPN's trial options hold up incredibly well against the competition. ExpressVPN and Surfshark also offer reliable 30-day money-back guarantees, with full feature access. CyberGhost takes a slightly different approach, offering a 24-hour free trial that requires no billing information, alongside a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. Proton VPN offers a freemium model with a heavily restricted free tier, and while they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, they will not issue refunds for cash or bank transfers. Ultimately, NordVPN strikes the absolute best balance of performance, security features, blazing fast speeds, and a frictionless refund policy. If you reach the end of your testing period and decide NordVPN is not the right fit for your routine, getting your money back is incredibly easy. Just make sure you initiate the process before your 30 days are up. You can manage your subscription right from your account settings, or simply open the live chat on the NordVPN website. When tested, the process is completely hassle-free. The chatbot will ask you for your payment method, subscription date, and email address. You'll then be transferred to a live agent who will simply ask for the reason of your cancellation. Once you provide a brief reason, they process the refund immediately, and funds typically appear back in your account within 5 to 6 business days. Just note that NordVPN only allows you to claim this money back guarantee twice per lifetime. Taking advantage of the 7-day Android trial or the 30-day money-back guarantee is the smartest way to ensure you're getting exactly what you pay for in a premium VPN. You get to test the unblocking capabilities, the raw speed, and the overall interface in your everyday life with zero financial risk. Be sure to check the links and coupon pages to lock in the best possible monthly rate if you decide to stick around for the long haul. Thank you for watching CyberInsider, and stay safe out there.